Good afternoon. I'm Al Avestruz, Chief Technology Officer at Volt Harbor. I'll be talking about universal hardware and software platform that works for any battery. The system scales from our C&I beachhead market to high voltage utility scale BESS, all the way to substations of the future. Together with second use batteries, 50% less lifetime cost and fully integrated grid and battery functionality, all in one box, we surpass anything that exists today. C&I customers battle high energy costs, outages, and an evolving grid. The commercial and industrial sector is large, yet underserved because of the high cost of energy and high cost of storage. At the same time, 6 million EV batteries are retiring every year. 80% capacity remains in these batteries. Why don't we reuse instead of recycling directly? By repurposing before recycling, we can eliminate emissions equivalent to 7.8 million gasoline cars. But the heterogeneity of these batteries has, and in the past, made it hard to scale. MAC-BESS's modular plug-and-play hardware core enables any make, model, or chemistry to be used in a single enclosure. This makes us resilient to available supply, minimizes the cost of power electronics, and allows hot swapping of batteries and hardware. MAC-BESS integrates all the grid and battery functionalities in a single box through software. For example, energy storage, machine learning to prevent failures and accurate delivery of energy, and directly make grid AC with no inverter. Our product is up to 50% lower cost while achieving 100% uptime. MAC-BESS is a hardware and software platform technology developed at the University of Michigan. It was funded by the NSF and State of Michigan. Volt Harbor exclusively licensed my patents from the university. Volt Harbor technology is centered around MAC-BESS's UltraCore, which combines power electronics, batteries, and computing. Any battery can be used, including both first life, second life, and lower cost out-of-spec batteries. UltraCore can be combined in a 300 kilowatt-hour UltraStack that can be packaged as a standalone behind-the-meter BESS for our beachhead C&I market, or be a component of a larger utility-scale BESS. We are better than any first or second life BESS. No other product or technology combines plug-and-play hardware with software-defined functionality to implement real-time machine learning while eliminating the grid inverter and still being the most cost-competitive. Our initial go-to-market strategy is direct selling to our C&I customers. After gaining a foothold with our early adopters, we will engage in channel partnerships to scale the business throughout the country. Our revenues will initially come from capital sales, together with operations, maintenance, and software contracts. Ultimately, we'll offer energy as a service through finance companies to accelerate the sales cycle. Our initial beachhead market is the $10 billion behind-the-meter market with our 300 kilowatt-hour BESS product. As our business grows, we'll penetrate the $150 billion utility-scale BESS market. We have LOIs from our C&I customers as well as battery suppliers. DTE Energy has funded us to install our 300 kilowatt-hour MAC-BESS on the grid. We are also developing a product with a major first-life BESS manufacturer. Pavan, our CEO, and I are the main co-founders. We currently have 2 employees, one in hardware and the other in software and firmware. With our technical and business advisory team, we add world-class expertise in batteries, algorithms, software, and behind-the-meter and front-of-the-meter markets. We are raising $2.5 to $3 million to build and deploy a 300 kilowatt-hour behind-the-meter BESS in less than 18 months. Half of the raise has been committed with MFV Partners in the Bay Area as our lead investor. As we reach beyond our beachhead, we project large growth driven by front-of-the-meter BESS business. I'll be happy to take questions.